Welcome back to my channel. I can order anything you want. So, what do you want, customer? One burger, please. One burger. And some french fries? No. Okay, one burger coming right up. Here's your burger. It's coming from the window. It's coming from the window. Thank you. Bye-bye. What do you want? What do you want? Pepperoni pizza. Okay, coming right up.
I want one ice cream, please.
Okay, one ice cream and one pepperoni pizza. Your pepperoni pizza is here. $10. Thank you. You $50. What do you want again?
Burger.
A burger. Here's your burger.
Thank you.
Hey,
Bye-bye.
here's a treat. $85. Good.
Now stop.
Guys, I said I lost my one tooth. Do you want to see it?